In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deploy GitHub project on Netlify. We'll walk through getting from the Netlify dashboard to the point where your GitHub account is connected and ready to pull in your code. This is perfect if you're setting up a project for the first time or connecting a new repository to your Netlify workspace. Start by signing into your Netlify account and heading to your main dashboard. From here, go to the project section. This is the hub where all of your sites and deployments live. If you're part of multiple teams or workspaces, make sure you're looking at the correct one so the project lands in the right place. The projects page is also where Netlify offers quick actions for creating a new site or importing an existing one. On the projects page, look for the option to import a Git repository. Choose the GitHub provider. This tells Netlify you want it to pull your source code directly from GitHub so it can build and deploy automatically. If you don't immediately see GitHub, you may need to expand a list of providers or scroll a bit. Also, double check that your browser isn't blocking pop-ups, since the next step may open a new window. When prompted, connect your GitHub account. If it's your first time connecting, you'll go through a quick authorization flow. Grant Netlify permission to access your repository so it can read your code and set up deploy keys. For security, it's usually best to select only select repositories and choose the specific repos you plan to deploy, rather than allowing access to everything. If you belong to a GitHub organization, you may need an admin to approve the integration or to enable access for the organization. Two-factor authentication, if enabled on your GitHub account, will be part of this flow, so have your verification method ready. If you've previously connected GitHub, you might just need to confirm existing permissions or reauthorize if something has changed. After the account is connected, Netlify will be able to display your repositories and guide you to the next screen where you can continue the deploy setup for your selected project. If your repository doesn't appear, refresh the list, confirm the correct organization is selected, and check the GitHub app's permissions to ensure the repo is included. That's it for this portion of the workflow. Open projects, choose to import from GitHub, and connect your account. With your GitHub connection in place, you're ready to proceed through Netlify's deployment flow and get your project live.